In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run the Insert YouTube plugin using the action menu. We'll move through this together at a calm pace so you know exactly what to click and why. Start by finding the action icon, the small button that opens your workspace's quick tools. Depending on your layout, it might look like a spark, a bolt, or three little dots, and it's usually tucked into a top corner of the interface. Go ahead and click that action icon. This opens a compact panel designed to help you trigger features without digging through menus. Inside that panel, you'll see a search field. Click into it and type the phrase Insert YouTube. Keep it simple and lowercase, just like that. As you type, the panel will begin narrowing things down. You may see results from different areas, but we want to focus specifically on add-ons. To make that easy, click on Plugins and Widgets. This filters the results, so you're only seeing items that live in the plugin layer, which is exactly where the Insert YouTube tool belongs. Filtering here helps you avoid lookalike commands and brings the official plugin into view faster. When the filtered list appears, you'll notice an option associated with Insert YouTube. If the interface highlights a spot or shows a confirmation labeled Choose Here, use it to confirm that this is the item you want. Think of this as selecting the correct card in a deck. You're telling the system, yes, that one. With the right plugin selected, click on Run. This is the go signal that executes the tool. After you click Run, expect a brief moment where the system prepares the action. You might see a small spinner or a status note. That simply means it's working. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. If you don't immediately see the Insert YouTube result, double check the spelling in the search bar and make sure you're still viewing the plugins and widgets category, not a broader list. If multiple results look similar, pick the one that explicitly references plugins or widgets to stay on the right track. And if your workspace theme or layout differs slightly, remember the flow remains the same. Open the action icon, search, filter, to plugins and widgets, choose the correct item, then run it. That's the entire process from start to finish. By following these clicks in order, you'll reliably launch the Insert YouTube plugin whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to see those selections again at your own pace.